So today I'm going to be doing manga lashes, and if you didn't know what that was, it's basically like a Japanese style lash where it's clusters of lashes. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I got this off Amazon and it already comes clustered in like little sections instead of buying like a strip lash and then cutting it up. Different lengths as well. So I'm going to be using this Falscara. It's by Kiss, and basically it's for any lashes, but I'm going to be using it because this is actually very easy to use and I prefer using this over like regular lash glue. It's basically a bond part and a seal part. So first you use the bonding, and then if you didn't seal it yet, you could always take the lash off and then adjust it accordingly. And then when you're finally done and you like how it looks, then you seal it. So I already did my full face of makeup, so I just need to do the lashes now. And the first part is curling them. Usually I need to curl them a few times because my lashes are very straight, so they go down a lot. And they're very short also, so I'm gonna wait a few and then curl them again. So let's start with the bonding part. And you just put the bonding part at the base of your lashes. It's like a mini mascara wand. So I have 3 different tweezers. I don't know which one to use and which one will be easier, or I just might use my hands because that's what I normally do when putting on lashes. So I'll see. I'm gonna try these ones because I think this might be the easiest. I'm gonna start off with the longest one and then go shorter. I'm gonna try another longer one. This is the 14 also on the end. Okay, now I'm gonna do the shorter one, the 13. I think I messed up a little, so I'm just gonna adjust it. It's not close enough. Okay, next I'm gonna do the 12. I think it looks good. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna start with the 14 length one. Then another 14. And the 13. Okay, I had to adjust this one because something was weird with it. I think this side, it's a little bit too close together, so I'm just gonna move it slightly over each one. Okay, I really like the placement of everything, so now I'm going to use the sealing part. So, oh, open it the wrong way. Be careful opening it the right way because the seal part is actually liquid, so you could spill it. After finished sealing, give it a minute to dry, and I'm just gonna like press it down to make sure it's all good. anyway, there you go. How do you like it? I think it looks really good. You could get pointier lashes to make it more dramatic, but I really like the style of these. These are like clustered and they're pointy, but there are more that are just like literally very pointy. I really like it. I think it suits me very well. So I'll link everything on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.